Meet Connecteam Celebrations. Stay on top of your game by setting your employees' birthdays and work anniversaries on autopilot, saving you valuable time and effort and never letting a special date go unnoticed. Easily celebrate with the whole team and make your employees feel seen. Automate the process. Set automations to make sure employees are celebrated on their special days to increase the sense of visibility, belonging, and motivation. Teams who celebrate together stay together. With Connecteam Celebrations, you can categorize relevant milestones per team or department, giving you full control over who sees which celebration, creating a truly personalized experience. Best party in town. Add a personal touch to make each staff member feel unique and appreciated on their big day. Allow everyone in the organization to celebrate with them to increase engagement while promoting positivity all around. Connecteam.